Hey guys, it's a beautiful spring day and I'm out in front of a special person's house. Now that special person is our producer, Melissa, AKA Ginger Savage. Now, personally, I think she's been watching way too many Can Quincy Qualify segments, so she's asking me to help her fix light fixtures and stuff outside the house. And so I think she can do it on her own, but she asked me. Get to work. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, she keeps a pretty interesting looking refrigerator. She turned 30, she celebrates. She got pictures of people she loves. Look at that. Patricia, Karen from Cooking from the Heart. Look at that. Oh, Ashley, baby Adrian. Where's my picture? Is it, you know what? I knew she didn't like me. Don't touch. All right, so guys, I'm out here looking at one of Melissa's light fixtures. This is what they call a dusk till dawn light fixture, and it's very simple. I'll do a quick test. I should be able to cover it up, and that light should come on, and the light does not, okay? So that means this whole fixture is bad, so I just got to take it off. All right, cool. Oh, God, that hurt. I'm about to call my bud at Bud's. Where's his contact? Hey, Kevin, what's going on, man? Yeah, it's Quincy. Yeah. No, I'm not trying to qualify. I need your help, if you can get here.
What's going on, Quincy?
Hey, Kevin, I'm so glad you're here. I just shocked myself, okay? Trying to change this light fixture.
Well, did you cut the power off?
I realized I did not do that.
Well, looks like you got all your fingers. Maybe we should go find the panel and get it cut off.
Yeah, let's do that. Kevin, I am amazed. Does it look like Melissa needs us to help her fix things? She has everything. I'm talking lawn equipment, pliers, pesticides, work boots. Anyway, let's turn this power off.
All right, let's get this panel open.
Okay.
Inside, there's gonna have a schedule, list of all the circuits in the home.
Okay.
You need to find the one that coincides with outdoor lighting, which I believe is this one right here.
So now that that's secure, you don't have to turn the main power off to the whole house, just that one. That's one thing a lot of people may not realize. Just find the actual circuit breaker, right?
Yes, sir.
Not the whole main panel for the whole house. Cool. All right. That makes sense. All right, well, let's go fix my mistake.
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. Instruction booklet. All right, it says, make sure that you read carefully. I'm doing that. Okay, second thing, secure all the power. We've done that. All right, what is next?
We don't need to do none of that, Quincy.
Huh?
You called me, I'm the professional. This ain't rocket appliances, let's go get after it.
All right, well, who needs an instruction booklet when we got Kevin? Come on. Kevin, did you turn the breaker?
Yeah, I just got it back on.
Perfect, so now we are safe, and I can put this light bulb in. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can get a good look, but look, I'll unscrew it and we'll see that it is powered up. Look at that, off, look at that. We have fixed it, and now it's, now she's got extra brightness too, so nobody should sneak back here and try to steal snacks out of her refrigerator. All right, so Kevin, this is a very important step here. I remember I had to cut out around the barrier, but this is a silicone?
Yeah, it's clear RTV, go around the light on both sides.
Now that looks good, Kevin. Now, I know it's very important, and Bud's tries to ensure to the customers that it's about safety and it's about protection of the home, especially with good outside lighting placement.
Oh, absolutely. Outside lights are really important for security purposes and just for egress in and out of the building.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. So if you want an outdoor fixture installed properly, or if you have any indoor or outdoor electrical needs, you need to call on your friends and our friends at Bud's Plumbing, Heating, Air Conditioning, and Electric.
Thanks, Quincy.